welcome. Happy Saturday, you guys. Today we're playing with our Super Mario saving challenge, which will save us $1,000. It is a bigger type of a challenge bundle. I only have $100 to play with today. I wanted to play with a little bit less, but since it's a bigger one, I said it is okay. $100 will do, hopefully. But before we go ahead and get started, guys, happy Saturday. Let's do our monthly saving challenge, you guys. Yesterday roll played with us. It took me out. So there's only 3 double rolls. Right here, and right here. And what was the odd for us to get 12 and then double, okay? Doing it double. Like, really? It sure took me out. Like, I'm like, oh snap, T, my pocket is hurting, y'all. I don't have a lot of money to play with. And that $24 girl, it took me out, okay? So today, let's roll. Oh, we're adding $9. I mean, I knew this challenge was going to be, a high one. But man, $24 took me out. So I'm so sorry, guys. But I hope you're still in the game and playing with me. And if you're not, I am sorry that it took you out real quick. Because, girl, let me tell you, it sure did. Took me out quick. All right. So let's add that $10 into my monthly saving challenge envelope that I have. Awesome sauce. Oh my gosh. Okay. So let me get her out of there. Okay, here she is. She is so cute. Oh my goodness, guys. I have the biggest headache ever. I just woke up a few minutes ago and everybody's sleeping, y'all. It's early. It's 7 something. And I hate going to sleep with my hair wet. But sometimes I just like shower super late and then go to sleep. And it happens. All right, I need to condense, y'all. I said I was going to do that yesterday, and I totally forgot. But, it happens. I hate showering super, super late where, like, my hair doesn't even get dry. So I get that here and there. But what can I do, right? What can I do? Okie dokie. So we didn't have no IOUs. No, nothing last time we played, so that's exciting. So we are left off right here. This is where we had left off, but let me take a cute thumbnail picture, shall we? All right, here we go, y'all. Here we go. I know it's not like super cute and aesthetic pleasing, but it's okay. All right, I use the dice just for like to see what number I'm gonna do. All right, guys, so the first thing first is going to be the clouds. The clouds are $10 each. So let's go ahead and do our $10. You guys, we have completed our first row of clouds. All right, so here goes $10. I'm gonna put it to the side just so I know. And hopefully everybody gets a little bit of love. This one is a big one, you guys. This one is $20, but it's okay. My shop will reopen June the 19th, just in case anybody wants to order anything. It will reopen June 19, 12 p.m. Central Time. All right, let's get that $20. Awesome. They are high numbers, y'all. All right. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. We're going to do this one. But I did make this challenge, so if anyone wanted to save $1,000, you could. I know a lot of people do like a little bit of like higher number, but nothing super crazy. So 1,000 is not as bad. It will take time, but y'all got this. All right, guys, we scratched off $12. So let's go ahead and get $12. Let's see, we have 10, 11, and 12. Okay, so $12 just like that. Nice. Moving on to the next. Oh, We're almost done with this one, so at least that makes me happy. So we're doing a 20. We only have 25 left. That's exciting. So here's that 20. Oh, that's exciting. All right, moving on to search and save. I love it. It's one of my favorites, y'all. We have a 2, so we're going to do that 2. A 2 and a 3. So 2 and 3. We have a little star. So we're going to do $5. That star is $5. Let's add $5. Nice. Awesome. Okay, at least we're almost there through all the challenges. All right. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this one's high too. They're all high, you guys. They're all high. But the way how I'm playing, it makes it a little bit more difficult to save and play more. But it's okay. All right. The highest is $19. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. There we go. $19. It's just like that. Okie dokie. I don't know how much I have left, but we don't have much left, as you can see there. Just a little bit of money. All right, $19. It's just like that. And we're going back to our first one. All right, guys, here we go. Let's see what we are doing today. We have 4. So we got 1, 2, 3, and 4. $9. Okay, let me not put a little circle there because I don't know if I have 9. But we will find out right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, ma'am. We do have $9. Awesome. All right. Let's get that out the way. Awesome. All right, guys. Everybody got a little bit of love, so that's amazing. We're at $10 again. And it looks like we don't have that. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have $5. And I don't want an IOU. I do not. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the search and save. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Let me add it here. All right. $5. Let's see which one has $5. And as you can see, there's a lot. So $5 is for the star. So I'm going to do this one, as it looks like this column or this road really hasn't gotten any love either. So I'm going to do this one. $5, just like that. All right. Yay. Awesome sauce. Okay, so this is $100, right? So I'm going to switch it to 100. Put that one back. So we don't have a bulky envelope. This bundle does not come with an envelope. You guys voted to not create an envelope, and I said, okay, I listened to you. So I just created one for myself. That's it. It's one from the saving challenges bundle that I had. All right, and there you have it, guys. That's our little Mario saving challenge bundle type of thing here that I have going on. And we are left off at the same place as we have ever started, you guys. Every time we have played this challenge, we always start here and we are always left off here, which is so funny. All right, guys. Well, thank you for stopping by and saving with me. I'll see you guys tomorrow with my Christmas binder. More savings. All the savings, you guys, it's for... Oh, look. Look. All the savings is for my $15,000 goal that I have for 2026. So this does not mean it's going towards Christmas. So yeah. If you like red, look, this will be available June 19. And then if you like this blue, this will be available restock July the 10th. Is the 10th. I think Friday is July 10th. I said the 15th, but no, it's the 10th if I'm not mistaken. So yeah. All right, guys. Have a great weekend. Have a great Saturday. As you guys see on the next one. Bye. Love ya.